Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. I am Marjorie Aragon. I am from Philippines, 41 years old, married. I have 3 kids, one son ages 18 years old, two daughters ages 14 and 16 years old. I am college graduate. I worked here in Hong Kong for almost 2 years and 9 months in my first employer. They are 3 adults, and my main duties are taking care of pets, 2 dogs, and 5 cats, and occasional cooking for my employer. I also worked here in Hong Kong for 3 months, serving 4 members, 2 adults, and 2 kids. My main duties are taking care of kids ages 5 and 6 years old. Thank you.